How to seal or expunge a DWI record in Texas. A DWI conviction can leave a lasting mark on your life, but there are legal ways to limit its visibility or remove it from your record altogether, depending on the circumstances. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you navigate the process and regain control of your future. Understanding your options between sealing versus expunging. What is expungement? Expungement permanently removes a DWI arrest or charge from your criminal record as if it never happened. However, in Texas, expungement is only available under specific circumstances, such as you were acquitted at trial of the DWI, the charges were dismissed, or you completed a pretrial diversion program successfully. However, if you are seeking an expungement as a result of a DWI PTI program completion, the DA's office is allowed to keep a record of it privately. It's not on your criminal record, but they're able to see if they've given you a chance before in case you get in trouble again. What is record sealing, or otherwise known as order of non-disclosure? If you are convicted of a first offense DWI with a BAC below 0.15%, you may be eligible for an order of non-disclosure, which seals the record from public view. This means most employers and landlords won't see it during background checks, though law enforcement and certain licensing agencies will still always have access. Determine your eligibility for an expungement. You may qualify if the DWI case was dismissed or you were found not guilty. If no conviction occurred, a completed diversion program or deferred prosecution agreement may also qualify. No other charges exist from the same incident. And for record sealing, you may qualify for an order of non-disclosure if it was your first DWI offense, your BAC was below 0.15% at the time of testing, and you've completed all court-ordered penalties, such as any PTI probation, fines, and/or community service. A 2-year waiting period has passed after completing your sentence. You've completed all court-ordered penalties, such as probation, fines, and community service, and specifically in Harris County, a 2-year waiting period has passed after completing your sentence and you have not picked up any new criminal allegations. Step 2, gather your required documents. To begin the process, collect court documents from your DWI case, including the judgment and sentence, proof of completion for all probationary requirements, your criminal history record from the Texas Department of Public Safety, DPS, and Step 3, file a petition for expungement. Draft a petition for expunction. This document formally requests the court to remove the DWI record. I highly recommend you consult with an attorney and have that attorney do it for you. File the petition. You have to submit your petition in the court where the DWI case was handled for an order of non-disclosure. For a petition for expunction, that is usually filed in district court. Notify relevant agencies. Send copies of the petition to all law enforcement and government agencies involved in your case. For record sealing, filing a petition for non-disclosure requires you to submit this to the court that handled your DWI case. Include supporting evidence. Attach proof that you've met all eligibility requirements. Attend the court hearing if necessary. The court will review your petition and allow you to present evidence supporting your eligibility. Having a skilled attorney by your side can improve your chances of success by effectively addressing any objections. Step 5, notify agencies of the court order. If your petition is granted, the court will issue an order requiring law enforcement and background check agencies to expunge or seal your record. Step 6, verify the results. After the expunction or sealing process is complete, run a background check on yourself to confirm the record no longer appears. If the record is still visible, contact your attorney or the court for follow-up. Some key considerations. Expungement or sealing can take several months. Start early if you need the process completed for employment or licensing. Working with an experienced defense attorney near you can ensure that all paperwork is filed correctly and that you're fully prepared for the court hearing. Filing fees and attorney's costs vary, but are worthwhile for investing in you and investing in your future. Sealing or expunging a DWI record can provide you a fresh start, opening doors to employment, housing, and peace of mind.